Hello YouTube, on a bright, partly cloudy but dry Saturday afternoon, the 23rd of September. I'm just on now heading up towards Western Super Mare. Hopefully I'm going to be able to park up because it's the beach race on this weekend, so I'm hoping to get some footage with the drone, but I'm also going to be doing a bit of off-bike filming. Might not see much of the race because where it's held, because I won't be going in paying to actually go in and watch it. I'll just be walking down the seafront along where it's held and just see what I can get. If I can get the drone up, happy days. And I'll also be trying to get some audio with the drone. It's going to depend on whether I can park and where I can find a safe place to put the drone up with the crowds what's going to be there, and it's not going to interfere with the racers. When it comes to that, safety comes first. It might be just a question of getting the drone up in one static position, filming it from height and from maybe a slight distance, and using the zoom or zooming in on edit. I'll see on that when I get there. So if I can't find anywhere to park, then it's just going to be a ride to Weston. So it still gets me out, because tomorrow the weather's sort of 50-50. I think it's going to just about stay dry, but it's going to be a lot windier than today. First time out since I come back from the Lake District tour last Friday. That was a long ride back, that was a long old day. Coming all the way back from the Lake District in one hit. That was a long ride, especially with the route I took, but that was my choice. I decided to go the route I did. Via the Ponderosa, down Iron Bridge. Iron Bridge I'll try and get back again sometime. I didn't have time to stop there very long. I'd like to go there again and spend a bit of time there. And get the drone up there as well. Let's enjoy the ride to Weston. And get this one booked in for a service sometime next month. And see about the rear tyre. I'm not certain on that at the moment. I think I've still got a fair bit of life left in it. I thought after me trip away it might have killed it, but it does. I think I'm still alright at the moment. I've got to try and find me tread depth gauge. So it's being a 50-50 tyre, I think it is. I think it makes it a bit more awkward to know. I mean, this does get boring along here now, sticking to 40. But you never know, with the bike race being on in Weston, they might be out and about looking for bikers riding like loons. Tends to be more the Bristol side, I've noticed recently though. I think I only ever saw them out this way once while Western Bike Night was on this year. It used to be a commons. Keep my eye out and see if I can find anywhere along here where I can park, but I don't think there is. once I get round the corner by the golf club. Give it a try first. Hopefully there's going to be a spot in the bike park. If not, I'm going to have a look. Space is down there by looks of things, and I don't mind walking up from down here if I have to. I know it's going to be busy, busy, busy. Obviously I'm going to try the bike park first. See that they shouldn't be parking along here, the cones are out, and they still have. There's all the bikes parked up, ready for when they go racing. There's a space back there if need be, because I think these down here, it's not in the parking areas where you gotta pay. Up here you have parking in the road. Yeah, down here the park in the road you've gotta pay. I don't think I'm going to get any on any of the side roads all the way up here, but hopefully there's going to be a space in the proper bike park. I can only look and see. Be yay or nay, wouldn't it? Go in and have a look. Yeah, there's a space, quite a few actually. That's all I wanted. As long as there's a space in here, I can do what I want. Well, I'm here. Hopefully I'm going to be able to do what I want, but I'll have a look and see. Afternoon everybody. I'm currently at Western Super Mare for the beach races. I'm going to take a stroll down the road at the moment now, have a look at some of the bikes, and then I'm hoping to find a spot where I can get the drone up. As you can guess, it's very busy here, so I'll take a walk down now to where the bikes are parked up, and I'll come back to you and talk to you all later. Hello again folks. Well, it's been a bit of a walk up here because it's nearly a good mile, but I'm up to nearly by the paddock now where the bikes are all parked up, and it sounds like the races might have started because I can hear the bikes. I don't know whether it'll be a mic or pick them up. I'm still hoping to get the drone up, but at the moment I'm struggling to find somewhere I can safely get it up, unfortunately, but we'll see. That's also a warm one. I'm getting very warm now with my fleece still on. I'm hoping to find somewhere down here I can get the drone up, but it's not looking very helpful. That's a busy one.
Get your feet on.
Right, I'm going to look for somewhere to see if I can get the drone up. Speak to you all later. I'm back again, folks, and unfortunately at the moment I haven't found anywhere safe to get the drone up, so I'm walking back now and hopefully I might be able to find somewhere down on the beach. I'll see when I get back there. Folks, I'll try and get a bit of footage now like this, but I'm still hoping to get the drone up in a minute. Right, I've got the drone up, folks. I'm just going to see if I can get a bit of footage. Get a decent bit of height. Better. Let's get her up. Better.